Okay, so this is the MAYFLASH arcade stick F300. I've owned this for almost 3 years now, and they are performing excellent. It comes with this USB kind of connection, and it has a very long wire which I can connect to my gaming PC over here. And the stick's very responsive. The buttons are great. They work just fine. You have multiple options for connection, as you can see here. And it has been used quite roughly, but it is performing just fine. So it's a very good addition if you're into gaming.